Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class. In this class, we are going to see about the exercise 2.7, second sum. The last class, we have discussed rationalizing the denominator. So, continue for this section. The same. Second question, rationalize the denominator and simplify. So, first two sums already we find out the answer. The third question, solution. The third question, 2 into root 6 minus root 5 divided by 3 into root 5 minus 2 into root 6. Okay, is equal to 2 into root 6 minus root 5 divided by 3 into root 5 minus 2 into root 6. First write the conjugate factor. So how to write the conjugate? To change the sign of the denominator. Okay, this is a minus, so you change into right the plus. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 3 root 5 plus 2 into root 6. Okay, this is a conjugate factor, which is equal to, so multiplying the numerator with numerator, 2 into root 6 minus root 5 into 3 into root 5 plus 2 into root 6 divided by, consider the both the denominator, this is a plus b, a minus b. Here a is 3 root 5, b is 2 root 6. Okay, what is the algebraic format? A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. This is already known. So here a is 3 root 5, the a square minus b square. B is 2 root 6. 2 root 6 the whole square. Have you understood? Okay. Which is equal to, multiplying the numbers first and the sets. 2 3s are 6 and root 6 into root 5 root of 30. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Then the first number with the second sets. 2 2s are plus into plus plus. 2 2s are 4 and root 6 into root 6 root of 36. Okay. Then minus into plus minus. Then 1. This is a pure sets because coefficient is 1. 1 3s are 3 and root 5 into root 5 root of 25. Then minus into plus minus, okay, root 5 into root 6. This is has 2, so 2 root 5 into root 6 root 30. Okay, whole divided by a square. 3 squared is 9 and root 5 the whole square is root and square is cancelled, so remaining 5. Minus the same manner 2 square is 4 and square root and square are cancelled, so 6 is remaining. So 6 into root of 30 plus 4 into root 36 is 6 minus 3 into root 25 is 5 minus 2 into root 30 whole divided by 9 5s are 45 minus 4 6 are 24, which is equal to 6. So consider the first and last. This is 6 root 30. This is 2 root 30. Subtract the both the values. 6 into root 30 minus 2 into root 30. So 4 into root 30 plus 4 6 are 24 minus 3 5 are 50. Whole divided by 45 minus 24. 5 minus 4 1 and 4 minus 2 2. Okay. So 4 into root 30 plus 24 minus 15 divided by 21. So 24 minus 15 is 9. Okay, that's all. This is your answer of third question. Have you understood? Okay, dear student, this is your second question, fourth subdivision. Okay, so now this is equivalent to using the cross multiplication. Okay, this second number denominator multiplying with the first number. So root 5 into root 6 minus 2 minus this minus. Okay, minus root 5 into root 6 plus 2. Root 6 plus 2. That's all. Whole divided by both the denominator. Product of the denominator. Root 6 plus 2 into root 6 minus 2. Okay, that's all. Have you understood? Then, which is equal to, multiplying inside root 5 into root 6, root 30 minus 2 into root 5, then minus into plus minus 5 into root 6, root 5 into root 6, root 30, minus into plus minus root 5 into 2 root 5, whole divided by, so a plus b, a minus b format. So a square minus b square. Here a is root 6 the whole square, minus b is 2. So 2 square is equal to plus root 30 minus root 30 are cancelled. Remaining minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5, totally minus 4 root 5. Okay, because like sign when you get sum of the two values. So root 6 the whole square is 6. Square root and square are cancelled. Minus 2 square is 4. Okay, so minus 4 root 5 divided by 6 minus 4 is 2. So making the cancellation, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 root 5 is your answer. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay. Then the third question from the exercise. Third question is find the value of a and b. Okay. If root of 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2, which is equal to a root 7 plus b. So find the value of a and b. Okay, equating the LHS and RHS, we get the AB answer. The solution. The solution, they can write the given question, root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. Okay, in the LHS. So now you want to write the conjugate sets. The denominator is plus 2 value. So root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2. So conjugate of sets, which is equal to a into root 7 plus b, equating both the sides. Okay. Then the product of the numerator. So root 7 minus 2 into root 7 minus 2 divided by, which is look like a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square is your formula. So a square minus b square, 2 square, which is equal to a into root 7 plus b. Have you understood the using the formula? Okay. So multiplying the both the factors. Root 7 into root 7 is a root of 49. 7 into 7, 49. And root 7 into minus 2. So 2 into my root 7. And minus into plus minus 2 into root 7, 2 root 7. And minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. That's all the numerator multiplication. Whole divided by the denominator root 7 square. So root square and square are cancelled. So 7. Minus 2 2s are 4. This is equal to a into root 7 plus b. Okay. This is equal to root 7. Square root of 49 is 7. Because 7 7s are 49. Minus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7. Totally minus 4 root 7 plus 4. Okay. Whole divided by 7 minus 4 is 3. Which is equal to a into root 7 plus b. Then comparing the numerical value, 7 plus 4 is 11 minus 4 root 7 divided by 3, which is equal to 7 into root 7 plus b. Okay. So this can be right 11 by 3, this 3 common for both the terms. So 11 by 3 minus 4 by 3 into root 7, which is equal to a root 7 plus b. Okay, have you understood? So the root 7 value, I can write the first minus 4 by 3 into root 7. This is plus 11 by 3. It is equal to a into root 7 plus b. Okay, we understood. So equating the both the coefficient, here such the such value coefficient is a. Here the root 7 such value coefficient is minus 4 by 3. Therefore equating the like coefficient, like term, we get a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, this is your answer. Then the constant term, addition of value is b. So b is equal to 11 by 3, equating the constant term. So we get 11 by 3. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay. Then the fourth question, if x is equal to root 5 plus 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Solution. So given x is equal to root 5 plus 2. So want to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So first find the x square. X square is equal to root 5 plus 2 the whole square, which is equal to, this is the formula of a plus b whole square format. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a plus b the whole square since equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is your formula, algebraic formula. Apply here. A square root 5 the whole square plus 2 into a is root 5 and b is here 2 plus b square, so 2 square. That's all. Okay, simply apply the formula. Root 5 the whole square is 5 plus 2 2s are 4 into root 5 plus 2 square, 2 2s are 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 root 5. This is x square. Okay. This is x square. The question is, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Which is equal to x squared is 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 1 by x squared is 1 by the x squared answer, 9 plus 4 root 5. Have I understood? Okay. Which is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 4 root 5. Here making the conjugate, 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by 9 minus 4 root 5. Okay. So rationalizing the denominator. 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 1 into this value is 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by, this is a plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square, 4 root 5 the whole square. Okay, which is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 9 minus 4 root 5 whole divided by 9 square is 81 minus 4 square is 16 and 5 root 5 square is 5. Is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by 81 minus 16 5s are 80. Is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by 81 minus 80 is 1. So here don't need to write the 1. Okay, that's all. Next, plus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 are cancelled. Remaining 9 plus 9 is 18. This is the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, have you understood the answer? Okay. Okay, next fifth question. Given root 2 is equal to 1.414, find the value of this to 3 places of decimal. This is your question. The solution, find the value of this. So 8 minus 5 into root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 into root 2. So is equal to 8 minus 5 into root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 into root 2. To write the conjugate value, this is 3 minus 2 into root 2. So 3 plus 2 into root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into root 2. Okay. Then making the multiplication, the same manner of the previous question. Okay. 8 minus 5 into root 2 and 3 plus 2 into root 2. Product of the numerator as well as the product of denominator. This is a plus b and a minus b format. So a square, so 3 square minus b square, 2 into root 2 the whole square. This is equal to, and the product of value, 8 3s are 24 plus into plus plus 2 8 2s are 16 into root 2, then minus into plus minus 5 3s are 15 root 2, this root 2, and minus into plus minus 2 5s are 10 and root 2 into root 2 2, that's all, or root 4. root 4 value is 2. Okay. So 3 square 9 minus 2 square is 4 and root 2 the whole square is 2 is equal to 24. Okay. Plus 16 into root 2, 16 into root 2 minus 15 into root 2 minus plus into minus minus 10 2s are 20 whole divided by 9 minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 24 minus 20 is 4 plus 16 root 2 minus 15 root 2. So 1 root 2. So no need to write 1 divided by 9 minus 8 is 1. So 4 plus root 2. This is your answer. So 4 plus the root 2 value is already given your sum. This is for 1.414. So sum of the two values, the integral part is 1. This here 4. So 4 plus 1 5. 5.414. This is the answer of 8 minus 5 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. Have you understood the answer? Okay. Okay, dear students. Today's homework, do the exercise 2.7, all the sums. All the sums want to write. Okay, this is your today homework. Okay, thank you. God bless you.